Hey everybody out there, it's Coach Day Long with the Over 40 Protocol, and today I'm in the gym and I came here specifically for you, especially if you're over the age of 40 and you want to be the best you've ever been. Today's the day that I have come to the gym specifically to show you two moves that you can start using, and believe me, you can do these in your own home and your own living room, garage, out in the yard, wherever you choose, and you don't need a lot of anything to make this happen. So these two moves are gonna be specifically for the midsection to tighten the core. I know you hear that whistle back there, right? It means fat loss is happening every single time you hear the whistle. So the core moves that I'm gonna show you are specifically designed for people over the age of 40 that are gonna help the midsection like it does for me, because I've used these on so many different clients in my day, because I've trained for over 20 years. Not only moms, dads, and kids, professional athletes, MLB, NHL, UFC, you name it, and these moves are what I use. So there's two moves here, okay? First, today I have, this is just, by the way, this is just 10 pounds. This is a plate, but at home, what you can use is, instead of this, is maybe a gallon of water, okay? You could use a gallon of detergent for your washing machine, right? Choose whatever you want, but whatever works best for you. Now, if you happen to have one of these weights laying around, or you go to the gym, you can use this, okay? First move. Now, oh, by the way, I know you're gonna see a link around here. Don't click that link, don't touch it, don't do anything with it, because I gotta get this to you first. But if you love what you see here, I have something special for you at the end of this short video, okay? So stick with me, and trust me, these moves are amazing. So, first move. Now, I'm gonna do this to the side first so you can see. Separate your feet, point your toes out. Let me go out here a little bit so you can see that, right? Separate your feet, point your toes out. Put your weight all the way out, meaning your gallon jug or whatever it is you're holding, okay? All the way out, lock the elbows. Chest up, chin up, and I want you to rotate only the weight. Leave your feet on the ground and don't move them. Again, straight out, rotate right, rotate left. Now I'm gonna do this in front of you. Rotate left, rotate right, just like so. Now you're gonna come to even with the body, not behind, even with the body, and then you're gonna go to the right, even with the body, just like so. Now, that's left, right. But now you can also go up and you can go down. Now, if you go over the head, do not do this with a lot of weight. Just do it with a little bit of weight, okay? This will help tone the shoulders, not only doing the core, but it will also help the shoulders, so straight up and straight down. Now, to the eye level is about high as I want you to go. So, let's do this movement together. Left, right, back to center, down, up. Left, right, back to center, down, and up. Now, how many of those are you gonna do? Let's do 12 to 15 reps, meaning a total of 12 to the left, 12 to the right, which is 24, and then give me 12 in the middle, which times 2 is 24 of that exact exercise. These core exercises are gonna help not only that midsection, but also that nice toned shoulder, okay, is what we're looking for, because this is what I've strived for so many years with all of my clients, okay? Now, next move, and this is a doozy, okay? This move here is gonna be left, right, chops. So you're gonna go up, again, locked elbows, up with the gallon jug, down, to the right, and back up. Now, you will do a little bit of bend in the knee if you need to, or you can actually keep the legs straight, whichever works best for you, because if your hamstrings are tight, you might need to bend a little. So back up, separate your feet, down, and up, down, and up, just like that. Now, we're gonna go opposite side, down, and up, down, and up, and down, and up, just like that. Now, you can do that with a gallon jug, 10-pound weight, whichever you choose. Use a dumbbell if you want, okay? Those moves are specifically designed for people that maybe have bad knees, people that have a bad spine like me. I have a herniated disc, and it's just part of life. Because I'm over the age of 40, I'm 45 years old, but I am living with my dream body because I do exercises just like this. But I also use something else. I use a protocol. It's an over 40 protocol specifically designed to help the hormones that are declining to spike to burn the belly fat. Because my belly fat, trust me, gains so fast if I just even eat a pizza. I can't even get away with just that, okay? So, for years, this information has been stockpiled so that we can create the over 40 protocol. Now, if you love what you just saw and you want more of this, do me a favor, hit a like, hit a heart, hit a share. Share this with the world. We're already 380,000 people strong with the over 40 protocol here. Okay, also do me a favor, in the comments below, put I want more, 2 exclamation marks. I want more. And if you want to add my name, Dan, put 2 exclamation marks after that. I'll get more of these videos to you with specific moves that can help anybody out there that's over the age of 40 get to be in your best shape of your life. So, I want to thank you for stopping on this feed, but before you go, I have that secret for you, and I also have that protocol with specific movements and specific protocols that will help you do exactly what you're seeing here today. Lean it up, look amazing, feel amazing, and it's at this link right now. Go ahead and click this link now, and I'll see you on the next video.